Do you have foggy, condensation, or moisture in your windows? You don't have to replace that foggy window now. Thermal pane windows are bound to fail eventually. Double pane windows by design have a finite capacity to absorb and hide moisture. When fog or haze becomes visible, the standard answer has been that the seal has failed and your only alternative is costly window replacement. Not true. In fact, water or visible condensation simply indicates that the moisture handling capacity of the insulated glass unit has reached its limit. If you see evidence of moisture between your dual window panes, Window-Medics can repair the window at a fraction of the cost of window replacement. However, the longer you wait, the greater the danger of permanent damage to the glass. Water or moisture on glass quickly etches the window, causing mineral riverbedding, silica deposits, and finally permanent cloudiness. At this point, the R value of the window is severely compromised. Here you can see how the process works. Here is a before and after photo. Only by Window-Medics' patented process in installing our patented one-way micro valve can the water vapor be removed, glass damage be prevented, and the insulating properties of the window be restored. Only Window-Medics has this patented process. With Window-Medics, your failed windows are quickly repaired. You don't have to wait 6 to 8 months for a window replacement. Window restoration saves you money and saves you up to 80% of replacement cost. With defogging, you have no more of that mismatched units that comes with glass replacement. When you remove the moisture from a failed thermal pane window, the R value increases 71%, recovering the full insulating capacity of the window, thus saving your energy costs. At Window-Medics, we have successfully repaired hundreds of thousands of windows with our field-proven technology. The Window-Medics process is backed by sound science and field-proven patented proprietary techniques. Window defogging provides you with an environmentally friendly alternative to window replacement that is cost-effective and keeps your failed windows out of our landfills. You also get a full 20-year parts and labor warranty, which is backed by Window-Medics Corporation. Window-Medics defogging service is faster, less expensive, lasts longer, and has a lower carbon footprint than window replacement. Contact us today for a free no-obligation defogging estimate. You can contact us by email at gta@windowmedics.com, or you can go to our website at gta.windowmedics.com. Call today and get the fog out.